Here's a house that I know you'll want to take a look at. This is a brand new listing. It's located 10 or 15 minutes out of Spencer. It has a blacktop road in front of it. It's just a single lane, state maintained road, so the access is very good. The yard is all pretty well level. You can ride it all with a riding lawnmower. The house itself is in great shape. It's all been remodeled here in the last little bit. Like the kitchen there, you can notice the countertops is a live edge wood, handmade. They are beautiful. They look like furniture. The room is huge. It's a lot bigger room than what the video really portrays there. This is the family room. Not only does it have a living room, but it has a family room too. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a laundry off the kitchen. This house also has new floor coverings in the house, so it's in really great shape. The outside of the living room, there's a big porch overlooking the level yard, which can all be rode with a riding lawnmower. That is a huge porch, and it is a very nice one. There is a big garden area with this piece of property. It's fenced in. There's also a chicken house area there, so if you like to raise chickens, you can do that. The lawn is big enough that if you wanted to put in a hog lot or whatever, there's plenty of room. It has a stream that runs through the property, so it's got water, and you can see the road there beside of the creek, so the access is very good. Please give Old Fences Realty a call, so that way you can take a look at this. So definitely don't waste very much time. Our number is 304-927-4400. My number is 304-377-3758. Thank you.